Hello everyone. Hope everybody is doing well, studying properly and consistently. Since education is the passport to the future, so we need to achieve this passport by consistently focusing on the studies. So today we are going to discuss chapter number 2 is matter around us pure. In this video, we'll discuss various kinds of separation techniques, how we can separate various kinds of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So let's begin the journey of the chapter. In this session, we will be covering the topics separation techniques of mixtures, that is, for evaporation, centrifugation, and separating funnel. Separation of the components of mixtures. There are several methods for separation adopted in order to separate different components from the mixture. Specifically for heterogeneous mixtures, the separation techniques includes the physical methods such as hand picking, sieving, filtration, etc. Now we will understand how can we obtain colored components from blue or black ink using the method of evaporation. Evaporation process is used to obtain colored components from ink. This process is used to separate a substance which can be dissolved in water easily. The liquid vaporizes easily in comparison to solid while heating. And heating helps us to separate the volatile substances from the non-volatile ones. The volatile substances are those which can vaporize easily. Now we will understand the steps followed during evaporation. First of all, we need to fill the beaker with water. Then we will put a watch glass on the mouth of the beaker. On pouring drops of ink on the watch glass, we will start heating the beaker. We do not want to heat the ink directly. After observing the evaporation technique, we will see that there are some vapors evolving from the watch glass. Now we will continue heating as the evaporation goes on, and finally we will make the watch glass to cool down for some time. Now we cannot see any further change in the watch glass. So this is how the ink in the form of solid gets deposited on the upper surface of the watch glass, and we are able to obtain it through its liquid solution. Now we'll study the next technique, that is centrifugation. It is used to separate cream from milk. Basically, it is a methodology to separate the suspended particles of a substance from a liquid. This process can be directly carried out with the help of a machine which can centrifuge the material poured inside it. Sometimes the solid particles poured in a liquid, they are so small and they can easily pass through the filter paper. So in that case, filtration technique cannot be used. Centrifugation is a technique which is used in the above case, and it is a technique when the denser particles they are forced to the bottom side and the liquid being lighter comes at the top position. The method to carry out centrifugation is just we need to take some full cream milk in a test tube. Then we have to operate centrifugation using a centrifuging machine for around 2 minutes. After some time, we can easily see the cream being separated from the milk. Following are the applications of centrifugation. It is used in diagnostic labs for the testing of blood and urine. It is also used in dairies and homes in order to separate butter from cream. Also, it is used in washing machines for squeezing out. Now the next technique is to separate two immiscible liquids using separating funnel. Immiscible term stands for those liquids which cannot be mixed with each other. So you can see the setup of a separating funnel. which involves the principle that there is a difference between the densities of the two different types of liquids which are taken inside the funnel. They form separate layers when they are poured one above the other. Following are the steps to carry out separation of oil and water which have different densities. First of all, we need to pour the mixture of oil and water in the funnel. Let it stand undisturbed for some time so that separation of layers may take place. After opening the stopcock of the funnel, we can pour out the lower layer of water carefully. Oil, being less dense, floats on the surface of water. After pouring down water, we can close the stopcock of the funnel as the oil reaches the brim of the stopcock. At last, we'll discuss some of the applications of using separating funnel. We can separate mixture of any type of oil with water. Also, it is used in extraction of iron from its ore. The lighter slag is removed from top by using this method, and the molten iron, being heavier and more denser, is collected at the bottom of the surface. In this session, we will be covering the other separation techniques of mixtures, that is, sublimation, chromatography, and distillation.